Bridge and change both have the j sound at the end but with different spelling. Let's learn together. DGE and GE both sounds like j at the end of the word, but the question is when to use which one. Let me clear it. When the j sound comes after a short vowel sound, you have to use DGE spelling. For example, badge, ridge, judge. Here actually the letter D protects the sound of short vowel. And when the j sound comes after a long vowel or some consonant, we have to use GE spelling. For example, cage, page, huge. If I summarize it, when the j sound right after a short vowel, use DGE. And if the j sound comes right after anything else, use GE spelling. Follow me for more phonics tricks. Thanks.